रब्बि शरली सदरी वयस्सिरली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear children, Assalamu alaikum. Standard 2nd, Subject GK, Unit 3rd, Science and Technology. Lesson number 11, Planets. Planets are heavenly bodies that move around the sun. They are 8 in number, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay? This is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Dear children, do you know? Sun is a star, not a planet. The sun is a star. It is a huge ball of spinning gas. Energy is produced in the sun. Energy is produced in the sun's core and travels to the outer part of the sun. The high temperature and intense pressure create powerful nuclear reactions within the sun's core. The sun's energy is essential for life on earth. It provides light for plants to grow, the basis of all food chains. The sun also provides heat which creates weather. The water cycle depends on this heat to bring about water evaporation. This forms clouds and rain. The solar system is the sun and all the different objects that orbit around it. These objects include the 8 planets. The solar system is the sun and all the different objects that orbit around it. These objects include the 8 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Fact to note: the Earth takes 365 days to complete the round around the Sun. The Earth takes 365 days to complete one round around the Sun. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Which planet is closest to the Sun? Answer: Mercury and Venus are the 2 planets closest to the Sun. Mercury and Venus are the 2 planets closest to the Sun. The conditions on each planet are very different. The conditions on each planet are very different. Tick the correct number to answer the following questions. Tick the correct number to answer the following questions. Number A. Which planet is red in color? Which planet is red in color? Which planet is red in color? The answer is Mars. Which planet is red in color? Option is 8, 7, 4, 1. The correct answer is number 4. Question number B. Which planet is next to Mercury? Which planet is next to Mercury? The answer is Venus. Which planet is farthest from the sun? Which planet is farthest from the sun? Number 8. Neptune. Number 8. The answer is Neptune. Which is the largest planet? Number E. Which is the largest planet? Answer is Jupiter. Answer is Jupiter. Number F. Which planet has rings around it? Which planet has rings around it? Answer is Saturn. Answer is Saturn. Number 6. I repeat the questions. Number 1. Which planet is red in color? Answer Mars. Number 4. Which planet is next to Mercury? Number B. Which planet is next to Mercury? Answer Venus. Number 2. Option number 2. Question number C. On which planet do you live? On which planet do you live? Answer is Earth. Answer is Earth. And the correct option is number 3. Now number D. Which planet is farthest from the sun? Which planet is farthest from the sun? Answer is Neptune. Correct option is number 8. Now question number E. Which is the largest planet? Which is the largest planet? Jupiter is the largest planet. Answer number 5. Option number 5. Which planet has rings around it? Which planet has rings around it? Saturn. The answer is Saturn and correct option is number 6. Learn this lesson properly. This is your homework. Learn this lesson properly. This is your homework. I hope you understood this topic. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.